guys, back in the garage again, working on the K10. Today's list of agendas is get the transfer case and transmission out. At least get that done, because I ain't got a whole lot of time, so I'm just kind of out here pussing around with it when I get a minute. So I got a minute, so I'm gonna try and get the transmission and transfer case out of this pig today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can do it. All right, guys. Joey, see you guys in a minute. Whew. Had to run to my house real quick to grab something, or a couple of things actually. So now I'm going to try to get this transmission out of here, which should be a lot easier than it was before. So let's get to it, guys. Well, there we go, guys. Transfer case is out now, and I know you can see my breath right now. It's like 20 degrees in my garage. Yep, you're seeing it right. That is about 500 metric tons of freaking gasket maker. I hate that stuff when I have to take it apart. Well, it's out now, so I'm glad. It is. Whew. That was fun. Alright, trying to take a little break and plug away on that tranny, guys. Well, guys, that was a pretty successful day. Got the transmission out, got the transfer case out. Whew. To you guys, it probably looks like about 10, 15 minutes worth of work, but it was actually about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get everything out of there with all that glue holding the transfer case on, and me not fully replenished on tools that were stolen from me a long time ago. So yeah, did what I could. I got her out, got the transmission out, as you saw, got the flex plate off. So now all that's really left to do is get that manual transmission, which I have sitting here in my garage, get the bell housing for it, get that bolted up, get the flywheel put on, get the clutch kit put on there, get the transmission sitting in there. I am, however, going to test test fit the bell housing and transmission first, because I have to figure out where I got to cut in the floor for the shifter and stuff like that. So a little bit of modification, guys, but they'll be coming up in another video. Guys, enjoy your day.